Glitter. These tiny and shiny particles are often associated with celebrations, but also, sadly, with plastic pollution. Glitter has interested humans for centuries and was used as far back as the Mayan civilization, more than 1000 years ago. Of course, ancient Mayans did not have access to plastic, but instead used a ground mineral called mica to give their temples a lavish appearance when lit by the sun. As the saying goes, all that glitters is not gold. And certainly not the glitter you can see here. While most modern glitter particles are made from potentially troublesome materials, including synthetic polymers, it is possible to make shiny particles using only molecules extracted from plants. The trick lies in the structuration of the material at the nanoscale, an unimaginably tiny scale, to reflect specific colors when light shines on it. Such particles will easily biodegrade after use, minimizing their impact on the environment, for some truly guilt-free and glittery celebratory moments.